Let's face it, everything runs on electricity. Master the craft of electrical construction and maintenance at Mitchell Tech.
You start out with a lab class in the morning, about a 2-hour lab class. Then you go to drawing and you have fundamentals.
I like to use my hands, so hands-on is kind of like more of my thing. Our teachers are pretty fun. I mean, they have some pretty good jokes.
My favorite thing is doing more hands-on things like working out at the site house and all of that, rather than a lot of classroom time.
All this little stuff you do in the lab booths, you get to see it on the big scale of things and get to see it all come together.
Licensed electricians are needed everywhere right now. Learn the principles of residential and commercial construction, as well as highly technical industrial applications. You can even earn hours towards your license while at MTI.
You know everybody in your class, you're buddies with everybody.
It's always interesting and it's always different, if you like a challenge.
MTI is a great place to go because the job placement is just really high with all the different programs that they have. And today's day and age, you can just find a good job and almost be guaranteed a position.
Power up your successful career in electrical construction and maintenance. Details at mitchelltech.edu.